Okay, we're going to look at some cut plays here. We have a runner on first base. First baseman's holding him as he should be. We'll start the play. We're going to have a base hit to left center. So a basic cut play to third base. You want to throw ahead of the runner. Shortstop's there to cut. Runner is easy out in that situation. Whether he goes or not, left fielder's got to fire the ball through the shortstop's head. Pitcher's backing things up. Third baseman's in charge. Needs to tell the shortstop to cut it. If he doesn't want to cut it all, he says nothing. The ball goes through. Shortstop could even fake a cut if the ball's going to go through, just to help freeze the runner at first base so he doesn't take second on the throw. That's pretty basic. You got the right fielder backing up first, just in case the batter who's running first takes a wide turn and there ends up being a throw back to first base. He's in position. Center fielder's backing up. Potential throw to second. The base runner on the hit ended up trying to get back into second base, and a throw came from third. Now, the shortstop cuts it off, and the base runner's going back towards second. The center fielder would obviously need to get in line and back up the throw from shortstop to second. Okay. The right fielder could also break in that direction as well as the play unfolds. Now we have what's more difficult would be a base hit to right field. So in this situation, a lot of times where we mess up is we feel like the second baseman is a cutoff. Now if the ball is already in the right fielder's hand, we don't want the throw from right, who generally has a pretty strong arm, just stopping here at the second, making the second baseman make this long throw. We don't want that at all. So we want the ball to travel from right field. The right fielder who's got that strong arm. We want that ball traveling towards third base, with the shortstop being the guy that's going to make the play. If we need to cut it, the second baseman has time to get back to second base, just in case that runner were to round too far, so we can get the back pick. So I'll clear the screen. I'm going to start the play over. So notice how initially the second baseman is going towards the ball and recovers, and you can see strong throw coming. So right now the shortstop, third baseman's in charge. The shortstop could easily cut the ball if needed. And we got the guy that had the base hit in no man's land to get picked off. Obviously, if we have a chance to get that lead runner, we let the throw go and we still get him out. And if the right fielder's throwing that ball through the shortstop's head on the line like he should, shortstop could still fake like he's going to pick it. Now that he essentially frees that runner at first base, and he's not even going to be able to take that extra base as well. So that's how the cut should work. We got pitcher and left fielder both backing up third base in this situation. Obviously, the right fielder's not backing up first because he's the one that was fielding the baseball. So, and the catcher's got to stay home just in case something crazy happens. And we have a play at the plate. So, same thing on a base hit down the right field line. We still want that long throw. Shortstop's a cut guy, so he's getting in line. Right fielder, obviously, if there's no throw at all, could throw it in second base if he needed to. So, which can happen sometimes, especially a hit down the right field line. There's potentially no throw at all. Base hit, the batter ended up rounding too far. Right fielder could back pick as well. So many options, but this is where you should be lined up on the field. And similar one, ball out to right center. So shortstop still a cut. So the common theme here, if you haven't noticed, is runner on first base, a base hit, not a double, just a single base hit. The shortstop is the cut guy to third base, no matter where the ball is hit.